Students, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram. Once again, welcome back to your class Ravisirjee Maths, the easiest and finest way to learn the concepts of mathematics. Students, in our previous video lecture, we have studied to find out the value of k if the given pair of linear equations with two variables are having infinite many solutions. Okay, students, in our today video lesson, we are going to solve the pair of linear equations with two variables, those pair of linear equations which are not in the general form. Okay students, whenever these types of questions are given, the simplest and easiest method to solve the pair of linear equations with two variables, as per my view, the elimination method. Whenever there is pair of linear equation with two variable and you have asked to find the solution, or you are asked to find out the value of x and y, so go by elimination method. Students, here in our today video lessons, I have taken three questions. These three questions are not in the general form of pair of linear equation with two variable. So first of all, we will convert this pair of linear equations into general form. Okay, then we go through the elimination method to find out the value of x and y. Okay students, before starting today video lesson, if you are new to this channel, just subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Okay, see the students, the first question is what? 5 by x plus 1 upon y is equal to 2 and 6 upon x minus 3 upon y is equal to 1. Student, we know that generally pair of linear equations are always in the form of ax by plus c is equal to 0, right? So here we get a1, b1 and c1, and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Okay students, these are the pair of linear equation with two variable. Means here you can see that the variables should be in the linear form, right? It should not be in the denominator. Okay, so first of all, writing this equation, 5 by x plus 1 by y is equal to 2 and 6 by x minus 3 upon y is equal to 1. So first of all, students, you will have to convert this equation into general form. Okay, so consider, let 1 upon x is equal to a and 1 upon y is equal to b. So students, by considering these things, 1 by x is equal to a and 1 upon y is equal to b, we will substitute these values over here and we can get the equation which will be linear equation with two variable. The variable will be changed. Okay students, initially the variable were what? 1 upon x and 1 upon y. Now the variable will be what? A and b. Okay, so here we can write what? 5. 1 upon x means a plus 1 upon y means what? b. This is 2. Consider this is equation 1. Similarly, 6 upon x. So there will be 6a plus minus, sorry, here is minus 3 upon y is equal to 1. Okay, so minus 3 upon y. So there will be 3b is equal to 1. This is equation 2. Okay students, now this pair of linear equation, we can solve this pair of linear equation by elimination method, which is the easiest method to solve the pair of linear equation with two variable, as per my opinion. Okay, so what we do in the by solving the pair of linear equation with two variable, so just we eliminate any one of the variable from the equation, either subtracting or adding. Okay students, to eliminate a, here you can see that to eliminate a, the coefficient should be equal. So here you can see that in very first question, first equation, the coefficient of A is 5 and here the coefficient of A is 6. So we will try to equate the coefficient of A through which we can eliminate A. So equation 1, right? Equation 1. So we will multiply the equation with 6, right? And similarly equation 2 will be multiplied by 5. Okay students, so here we are writing equation 1 multiplied by 6 minus equation 2 multiplied by 5. Okay, now multiplying by 6 this equation, we are getting 30a plus there will be 6b and here will be 12. Similarly second equation is to be multiplied by 5, 30a minus 5 into 3 15b, 5 into 1 5. Okay, so what we are getting, so subtracting over here minus, this will be plus, here will be minus, so subtracted plus 30a minus 30a, here is 6b plus 15b, don't consider this sign. Okay student, 6b plus 15b, so we are getting 21b. Okay student, now 12 plus here is 5 minus, so what we are getting 7, so the value of b will be 7 by 21, so it gives what, 1 by 3. Now putting the value of b in 1, putting in equation 1, what is equation 1 over here, 5a plus the value of b is what, 1 by 3 is equal to 2. Okay student, so 5a is equal to 2 minus 1 by 3, so 5a will be what, 3 2 ja 6, 6 minus 1, so 5 by 3, 5 will be cancelled out, so we are getting what, a is equal to 1 by 3. Okay student, here you can see that you are getting b is 1 by 3 and a is 1 by 3. So it means the value of a 1 by 3, the value of b 1 by 3. So value of a is what, 1 by x. So here we can write 1 by x, this is 1 by 3, right? And here is also 1 by y, 1 by 3, which gives what? So converting this numerator into denominator in both sides, so what we are getting, the value of x is 3 and the value of y is also 3. So here we are getting the solution of this pair of linear equation, the value of x is 3 and the value of y is 3. Okay students, now moving to the next question. Same thing you will have to do over here, just see the format of the equation, in which format the equation is given with two variable. Okay, just then try to convert those pair of linear equation in linear form. Okay, and then go for the elimination method. Okay students, now these things can be written as 3x plus 2y by xy, so we can write 3x by x upon y plus individually we can divide these things, so 2y upon xy is equal to 1. Similarly 4x divided by xy minus 2y divided by xy is equal to 13. X will be cancelled, so 3 by y plus y will be cancelled, 2 by x is what, 1. Okay, and here is also 4 by y and here will be minus 2 by x is equal to 13. Okay students, again these equations are similar to the previous question. So here we can write, let us consider 1 upon y is what, b, and 1 upon x is what, a. So 3 upon y. So we can write 3b 2 by x. So 1 by x can be written as 2a is equal to 1. This is equation 1. Similarly 4 upon y. So 4 upon y can be written as 4b, because putting the value of 1 upon y, the 1 upon y is what? B, minus 2 upon x. So we are putting the value of 1 upon x only. It is a. So 2a. It is 13. This is equation number 2. Okay students, here you can eliminate a or b. Students, here you can see that 3b plus 2a is equal to 1 and 4b minus 2a is equal to 13. So we need not to multiply these equation by any other integer, because students, here you can see that in equation 1 there is plus 2a, and in equation 2 there is minus 2a. So we will just add this equation. So what we can do, adding these two equations. So equation 1 plus equation 2. Okay, so 3b plus 2a is equal to 1, 4b minus 2a is equal to 13. Students, you will have to keep it in mind that you are adding these equation. Okay, so if you are adding this equation, there will be no change over here. Here we have subtracted equation 1 multiplied by 6 minus equation 2 multiplied by 5. That's why in equation 2 the sign were changed, and here we need not to change the sign, and we will not change the sign. So 2a will be subtracted. So 3b plus 4b, 7b, right? 1 plus 13, 14. These will be cancelled. So b is equal to 2. So what you have to do over here? Putting in equation 1, putting in 1. So b is equal to 2. You will have to put in equation 1. 3. The value of b is what? 2 plus 2a is equal to 1. 3 2s are 6 plus 2a is equal to 1. This goes to this side. So 2a is equal to what? 1 minus 6. So 2a is equal to 5. So the value of a is what? The value of a is 5 by 2. Okay students, here you can see that the value of a is 5 by 2 and the value of b is what? 2. So what is the value of a? You have considered a is 1 upon x. So we are writing 1 upon x, 5 by 2, right? And what about b? This is what? 1 upon y. It is 2. So convert the denominator into numerator. So we are getting x is equal to 5 by 2, and here we are getting y is equal to 1 by 2. Okay students, now moving to the final questions of today's video lesson. This is same question as we have solved question number 2. Okay, so what we have to do? 3x plus 6x plus 3y is equal to 7xy. See students, here you can see that 3x x and y are in the linear, but there should be constant over here, but here we having the variable are in the multiplication form. So what we have to do? Dividing by xy. These equations will be divided by xy. So what we are getting? 6x by xy plus 3y upon xy, 7xy upon xy. Okay, similarly for the next equation, 3x plus 9y is equal to 11xy. So 3x divided by xy, 9y divided by xy is equal to 11xy divided by xy. Okay, now we can simplify these things. X will be cancelled. 6 by y plus 3 by x is equal to 7 and 3 by y plus 9 by x is equal to 11. Okay students, this is similar to this equation. So what we have to do over here? Let us consider 1 upon y is equal to b and 1 upon x is equal to a. So we can write over here 6b plus 3a is equal to 7. This is equation 1. And 3b 9 by x means you have considered 1 by x is what? A. So 9a is equal to 11. This is equation number 2. Okay students, so here you can see that if you want to eliminate b, the coefficients of b in the first equation is 6 and in second equation is 3. So what we will do over here, just we will multiply we want to equate these coefficients. Here is 6, so here we need 6, right? So we will multiply the equation 2 by 2. So equation 1 is multiplied by 1 and equation 2 is multiplied by 2. Why is it so? Because students, if you are multiplying this equation by 2, here we are getting the coefficient of b is 6. Here is already 6. So we can subtract the equation 2 from 1 by multiplied by 2. So we can eliminate b. So we are writing equation 1 multiplied by 1 minus equation 2 multiplied by 2. So if you are multiplying the equation 1 by 1, so what we are getting? 6b plus 3a is equal to 7 and second equation is multiplied by 2. 6b plus multiplying by 2, 9 into 2, 18a is equal to 22. Okay, so we are subtracting, sign will be changed, plus 3a minus 18 plus 3a minus 18 minus 15a, right? Plus 7 minus 22, so minus 15. So minus 15 and plus minus 15 will be cancelled. So a is equal to what? 1. So putting a is equal to 1 in equation 1. So what is equation 1 over here? 6b plus 3a. The value of a is what? 1 is equal to 7. So we can simplify this thing. 6b plus 3 is equal to 7, which implies 6b. So 7 minus 3, there will be 4. So b is equal to 4 by 6, 2 by 3. Okay students, here you can see that the value of a is 1 and the value of b is what? 2 by 3. We have considered what is the value of a? 1 by x. So 1 by x, so if we are converting, again we are getting x is 1 and here is 1 by y, 2 by 3. We want to find out y, so we are converting the numerator into denominator in both sides. So we are getting y is equal to 3 by 2. Okay students, in this way you can solve the pair of linear equation with two variables which are not in the general form. Just convert those pair of linear equation in a general form, a linear form. Then if it is asked, find out the value of x and y. So go through which method? Elimination method. Okay students, because elimination method is the easiest method to solve the pair of linear equation with two variables. Okay students, I hope you have understood this video lesson. For more video lessons of this chapter, keep watching your channel Ravisirjee Maths. Thank you so much.